Hey guys, and welcome back to VolatilityTV here. I just wanted to do a quick video here showing you guys why day trading is more psychological than anything else. You have to be prepared. So yeah, today I was trading Tesla, as you can see right here, the ticker symbol TSLA, and my profits for today is $53.60. Also, it's August 5th, 2020, just so you know. Like I explained in my previous video, it's about the process, right? Look at this right here, 270 orders, like in and out. It's just, this is the way you should not trade. This is why you have to keep practicing first. And alright, so let's just jump into it. Let's just dive right into it. So first things first, right here in the morning, again, like I usually stress, usually there is a sell-off. It doesn't matter, like whatever ticker symbol it is, whatever company you're trading, it doesn't matter. Usually there's a sell-off. Sometimes it'll keep selling off. What happens is it'll go oversold. This can be your opportunity to get in. This is where they call buy the dip. I usually don't do that. I usually wait for a reversal for it to actually confirm, and then I get in and then I get out. Again, my style of trading is scalp trading. So once I set my target to get in, I usually set my target to also get out. So these first three trades right here was perfect. It was just awesome. So I got in, get out, got in here, sold, got in here again, 1483, and then I sold here 1484, and I was up, I think I was up maybe like $57 on the day. And then for some reason I stepped away from my computer, come back, and I saw it just pushing up. This was a rookie mistake. I can definitely admit it. It was a rookie mistake. This trade should have never been taken. I should have just called it a day. I had already made $55 on the day yesterday from same trading Tesla as well. You could just call it a day and then you just walk away. But no, I did not. I decided to, when I came back to my computer, I saw it pushing up, and look at this right here. You can see on the top candle right here, it says 1496.05. I got in at 1495.48. This was horrible decision. And yeah, so once that decision has been made, you usually have to pay for it. So what happened was I actually stayed in the position size right here. As you can see, it started selling off. What usually happens is you need to, one, set yourself a stop loss so you get out. This is why it's called trading. You don't actually, if we were going long, it doesn't matter. You can just hold the stock forever, whatever, right? So when we're trading, you need to cut losses. You need to know when you're going to get out. My opportunity right here didn't get out. Sold off again. Way oversold, waited for it to actually reverse, and then I got out here. So I got out on the bottom right here, as you can see. I should have waited actually, but then as soon as I sold out, I told myself I needed to get back in to make back the profits that I've lost. When I sold out here, I was negative $100. So how did I go from green to red and then back to green? So this is why I know that I can trade, because I was able to get back in here and just dig myself out of this negative $100 day that I've had. So going right here again, we trading above the EMA line right here. Usually that's what I stress. This is a nice gap up right here, and again I think that was my last trade actually, after this pushed up really nice and then it sold off. So made back my money, $53, and then I called it a day. Why didn't I get in right after? Because if I had gotten back in, who knows, we don't want to go from green to red to green back to red. So after you make back your profits, you just walk away and you call it a day, and that's exactly what I did. So I just wanted to share this with you guys that it's all psychological. It is a skill base, but it's more psychological. If you can master the skill part of it, I can guarantee you will be a profitable trader. As you can see right here, I definitely this was definitely a rookie mistake. So please try your best and don't do that. But yeah, I just wanted to share that with you. This is my video for today, guys. And are you actually trading Tesla? Do you trade Tesla? Usually I don't trade Tesla, so that's also another thing, but I wanted to put my strategy to practice to know that I can actually trade and come out on the green, whether it's like $20, $50, $100, doesn't matter. But yeah, you can see in my previous video, you saw that overall I was able to make, you know, $700 or so on the day. So yeah, again, it's not about that, it's all about the process. Like I keep stressing, it's all about the process, not the profits, right? Yeah, so let me know in the comment section, how have you been? Do not make a mistake like this, learn from my mistake, and yeah, let's just keep it pushing. You know, if you like this video, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, man, all that good stuff, man. You know what to do. This is YouTube, man. You know what to do. Peace.